Hey everybody, happy Dad Joke Friday. I've got a good one for you. What do you call a manufacturing plant where everyone does okay work, but they're crying all the time? A sadist factory. Huh? Satisfactory? Oh man. Anyways, happy Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month. This is the time of year where we double down and spread the news that manufacturing is cool and a great career. So to help you out, I've prepared the 10 you must know manufacturing facts of 2021. Fact 1, manufacturers account for 10.94%, 11% of the total output in the United States, generating about 2.3 trillion in 2019 and growing at a CAGR, compound annual growth rate, of 2.7% over the last 10 years. That was fact 1. 11% of the total output of the US. Number 2, manufacturing employs 8.6% of the US workforce. Number 3, there are 889,000 manufacturing job openings in July of 2021, according to the BLS, with 4 million manufacturing jobs to be filled between now and 2030. Number 4, finding qualified talent is 1.4 times harder than it was in 2018, according to Deloitte. Number 5, the average income in manufacturing is $88,406, pay and benefits together. And that was in 2019, according to the Bureau of Economic Analysis. Number 6, there are 248,039 manufacturing firms in the United States as of 2017, providing jobs for 12.2 million manufacturing employees. Number 7, the top 5 manufacturing sectors include chemicals, computer and electronic products, food, beverage, and tobacco products, aerospace and transportation equipment, and number 5, motor vehicles and parts. Number 8, U.S. exports of manufactured goods equaled 1.2 trillion in 2020, and about 48% of that was to free trade partners like Canada, Mexico, China, Germany, and Japan. Number 9, in the 2021 Deloitte and the Manufacturing Institute Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Study, 63% of those surveyed linked the business benefits of DEI, like improved productivity and improved profitability, to an enhanced ability to attract, retain, and develop talent. Number 10, in a Deloitte survey, manufacturing respondents were able to use automation to help fill 16% of their open jobs in 2020. That is serious. Automation as a workforce solution is something we really need to consider. I'll make sure I put the links to the data sets if you want to look at them yourself. I'll put them in the comments below. Sadly, this year, due to the ongoing pandemic, we decided not to do a live Manufacturing Day event at 𝗬𝗨. But we are still working to engage with schools, share videos of the facility, share video interviews with our people, and are even visiting with schools virtually or in person to share about the awesomeness that is manufacturing. So I encourage you to find a way to do the same, to reach out to a local school where your kids are, or a school nearby your factory, and try to engage with them in any way that you can, virtually or in person. Happy Manufacturing Month, and until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?